Thinking about buying land? Before you make one of the biggest investments of your life, watch this video. We're breaking down the top 5 mistakes people make when buying land and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, not checking zoning laws. Just because a piece of land looks perfect doesn't mean you can build on it. Zoning regulations control what you can and can't do. Residential, agricultural, commercial. Each comes with its own rules. Always check with the local city or county planning department before you buy. Mistake number 2, ignoring access and utilities. Many buyers fall in love with cheap land, only to find out there's no road access, no power, no water. Unless you want to live totally off-grid, make sure your land has legal access and nearby utilities like electricity, water, and sewer, or budget for installation costs, which can be pricey. Mistake number 3, skipping the land survey. Don't rely on guesswork or verbal boundaries. A professional land survey shows you the exact property lines, easements, and potential issues like encroachments. It's one of the smartest things you can do before closing. Mistake number 4, not understanding flood zones and soil conditions. Just because it looks dry doesn't mean it stays dry. Always check FEMA flood zone maps, and especially if you plan to build. Poor soil or a high water table could make building more expensive or impossible. Mistake number 5, skipping title search or buying without title insurance. You must do a title search to ensure the seller actually owns the land and there are no liens or legal disputes. Better yet, get title insurance. It protects you from hidden legal issues that can pop up later. Buying land is an amazing opportunity, but only if you do it right. Avoid these 5 mistakes and you'll be way ahead of the game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.